How to make any game private in Steam. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can make any particular game set as private in your Steam account. So in order to start, the first thing that you can do is launch your Steam application and then you can click onto this games option. Now from here, click onto view games library and this will show you all of the games that you have downloaded from Steam. Now, within the Steam, you need to right click onto that particular game that you want to set as private, and then from here, click on to manage. And within the manage, you can simply choose the first option, that is hide this game, or in order to make it private you can click on to mark as private. Once you do this, it says marking a game as private will hide it everywhere outside of your library. Your ownership, in-game status, playtime and activity will not be visible to other people. So to continue, click on mark as private, and now this game has been successfully marked as private. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.